guys, this is Namita here. I'm back again with a new topic, how to deal with breakup. Now, there are 3 steps to it. It is a tough time. I understand. It is difficult what you are going through when you are in love, or when you really care for that person. Whether it is a girl or a boy, he or she means a lot to you. It is very difficult. For whatever reasons, he or she is not there in your life, or he is no longer there, she is no longer there, and you have to deal with that pain within yourself. It is quite depressing, it is quite irritating, it is quite, you don't have words for it. It is a negative emotion. So step 1 is acceptance. When you start accepting that, okay, this is what I am going through. Okay, I am going through pain. This is painful. I am feeling depressed. I am not liking it. It is okay to feel that way. Trust me, when we are trying to fight it back, when we are very disturbed, when we are trying to run away from that emotion, that is a more difficult time. But when you say that it is happening to me for this reason, I am a human being, that is also a one emotion, and that is the first step that you are trying to take to engulf it, to accept it, to feel it. Okay, this is happening to me. So what? Now what? What I am supposed to do? What is going to be my second step? Step 2 is you need to find someone with whom you can share everything out. You can pour everything out, uncensored. It should not be edited. It should be truly the way it is, whatever has happened with you. So it is one form of taking it out of yourself. If you cannot find anyone, you must take a paper and pen and start writing exactly what has happened to you. To understand, when you start writing, trust me, you can pinpoint that what was it exactly that has kind of torn you apart in that relationship. You know that internal communication, when we say that he is going to judge me or she is going to judge me if I will tell him or if I will tell her that this is what I did or this is what had happened, that is when everything is not coming out. You're not feeling relieved. When you can find one such person where you feel that it will be confidential, it will not be judged, it is beautiful to take it out. And if you think there is no one around you, you should take a paper and pen and write it down. You can tear it off later. But when we start writing it down, that what has happened to us while going through this, it kind of makes us feel better. So first step was acceptance. Second step was finding that person, writing it out, pouring it out, taking it out from our system, that this is what I had gone through. And the third step is when you kind of decide what next. Now this is something which is little different because everybody's healing cycle is different. We all have that one healer inside us who can heal us, who can make us feel better. And that healer is within you. We need to find that healer. Now that healer, we say time is the healer. It is not the time. It is the time taken by you, by your conscience, by your inner being to come out of that pain. So this time can be different for different people. It can be a week, it can be days, it can be months, it can be years. And trust me, we have the power to increase or decrease that time. So then when you decide, you should not decide based on your past experiences. It should not be kind of a rebound that you are going for. It has to be what you really need in that relationship. What is important for you in that relationship. And then you are going to make it a step or your value and let the other person know about it. And then that bond which you are going to make is going to be very strong. So I hope that these 3 tips have helped you in coming out of your pain. If you have any questions, you can write it down in the comment section. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel below.